Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and my name is Purva. So I hope you're doing well and today I'm here with another video relating to a product so that this might help you in finding a perfect product for your skin. So जैसे कि आप सब जानते हो कि विंटर्स अप्रोच होने वाली हैं, ऑलमोस्ट हो ही चुकी हैं, इट्स अक्टूबर ऑलरेडी एंड it is very important to moisturize your skin, and it is even more important to exfoliate and scrub your skin. So exfoliation से जो सबसे प्राइमरी बेनिफिट आपको मिलता है दैट इज कि आपकी स्किन के जो भी डेड सेल्स होते हैं वो रिमूव हो जाते हैं एंड योर स्किन बिकम्स क्लियर, इट्स टॉप लेयर बिकम्स क्लियर एंड इट गिव्स अ रूम to your moisturizer and to your moisturizing products to penetrate deep inside your skin. तो जितनी भी आपके स्किन की नॉर्मली डस्ट होती है, डर्ट होती है, वो सारे आपके स्किन, आपके पोर्स को क्लॉग करती है. सो दैट इज द रीज़न कि जब आप कोई भी मॉइस्चराइजर लगाओगे तो वो ऊपर ऊपर ही रह जाएगा, वो आपके स्किन के अंदर डीपली पेनिट्रेट नहीं होगा. सो ड्यू टू दिस होता क्या है कि जितना भी हम लगाते हैं मॉइस्चराइज़र या कुछ भी क्रीम्स वगैरह लगाएंगे, अगर पोर्स ओपन नहीं होंगे हमारी स्किन के तो वो प्रॉपरली अंदर नहीं जाएगा. तो इसलिए इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू स्क्रब एंड एक्सफोलिएट योर स्किन फॉर अबाउट 1 or 2 times in a week depending upon your skin type and the amount you spend outside at a public place or the amount of time for which your skin is exposed to sun, dirt, dust, pollution, and everything. So recently, I received a gift from one of my friend, and it was a scrub, exfoliating scrub from Dove. So I thought I should share with you how it worked for me and everything. So this is the exfoliating body polish. Now body polish is different from body scrub. ओके. सो बॉडी स्क्रब में क्या होता है कि जो भी आपकी डेड सेल्स या टॉप लेयर ऑफ स्किन होती है, जो भी फालतू स्किन या जो भी एक्स्ट्रा पार्टिकल्स होते हैं वो रिमूव हो जाते हैं और आपकी स्किन बेयर ओपन हो जाती है, सारे पोर्स बेयरली ओपन होते हैं. बट इन द केस ऑफ बॉडी पॉलिश वो रिमूव होते हैं प्लस उस पर एक लाइट लेयर आ जाती है पॉलिश की जिससे आपकी स्किन में ग्लो आता है. और जब आप उसके ऊपर कोई भी लिक्विड मॉइस्चराइज़र या कुछ भी ऑयल या कुछ लगाओगे, उससे वो पॉलिश का वो ग्लो आपकी स्किन के अंदर पेनिट्रेट होता है एंड आपकी स्किन आपको ज़्यादा शाइनी या ग्लोइंग दिखती है. सो दिस इज़ अ बॉडी पॉलिश, नॉट अ बॉडी स्क्रब. Okay, so it has kiwi seeds and cool aloe. That means it is made from kiwi and aloe vera, and it has a 298 grams of product quantity. So the price is not mentioned over here. I don't know. So I'll share it in the description if I find it on Google also. Okay, so let's open the packaging. This is the cap and it comes with this beautiful transparent lid within so that the product cannot, it has this handle to open. Okay, so this is the product and this is so creamy, so hard that even if you pull it down it will not fall, it will never fall. It is a cream based and you can easily see small beads of kiwi and scrub in it. So these beads will like make it easier for you to have a good skin and a healthy glow. So okay, so the packaging is pretty cool. First of all, it is made up of plastic and you can easily carry it along with you, and it has everything written on it. So I'll share with you the usage pattern. It says that while your body is wet or while you're in a shower, you just have to take a generous amount and just use this like a normal scrub that you use. So it says that you have to use it for 3 to times a week But I won't say you should do it for such a long duration because it might make your skin dry. And I would say that people with oily skin, since I'm having an oily skin, I use it for about 1 or 2 times a week. I try to use it for 2 times, but I usually skip this thing. And but people with dry skin can easily use it for 1 time or maybe or 2 times. It totally depends upon you and your skin type or how your skin reacts to this. But this worked pretty cool for me, and I'm really satisfied with the results that it gave. You will surely see the amount of glow that comes from your body after using this. And I would say that people with dry skin should also use a good moisturizer or a cream after this so that you don't feel extra dryness and so. And for people with oily skin, always use a light gel based moisturizer. Don't go for a creamy moisturizer. It will clog your pores and will spoil everything for you basically. So people with oily skin should go for a water or a cream or a gel based moisturizer, while people with dry skin or combination skin can go for a light moisturizer, cream based, that works perfectly for their skin. So yeah, that's it for this video. I'll come up with new things next week, or till then keep watching my previous videos, and please do like, share, subscribe to my channel. We are already a family of 800 subscribers, and we are really close to 1000, and I really need your support in this. So please share it as much as you can, and please ping me your feedback over in the comment section as well, or you can even share it with me on Instagram. So yeah, that's it for this video, and yeah, bye, and just stay safe and take care of yourself. So bye.